Friends, today we are doing the next topic, wastewater treatment plant. So here, first of all, we are discussing about sewage. Sewage is a municipal waste water containing large quantities of solid impurities which are formed of suspended solids, colloidal compounds and dissolved materials, etc. So now you can see here, yes, the wastewater, you can see the wastewater pass through sewage treatment plant before it is supplied to our house. The treatment of sewage is completed in three steps. So first is primary treatment. Mechanical screening and sedimentation of undisclosed and stable solids in raw sewage is done, so it is passed through meshed screens of successively smaller pore size. After screening, the sewage is passed through a grit chamber to separate sand. As you can see in this animation, what will happen in the primary treatment? First of all, there will be screening and then settling of large particles, and the wastewater is passed through the rotating screens of vertical bar, which are called bar screens, to remove the large object like as plastic bags, rags and sticks. And after that, the wastewater is passed through a grit and sand removal tank through the grit chamber, and then the speed of the water is reduced so that the sand, small stones and the pebbles settle down at the bottom. Now as you can see that wastewater enters a large sedimentation tank, and the solid, you can see that solid organic waste such as feces settle down at the bottom of the tank, and light waste such as grease, soap, oil float on the top, and we can and the solid waste that settle at the bottom, as you can see in this animation, that is called sludge, and sludge is removed with the help of scraper, and the light material which floats on the top, that is known as scum, and it is removed with the help of skimmer. Again I am repeating, sludge is removed with the help of scraper, and the oil that floats on the top, that is removed with the help of skimmer. Okay, and the water that emerges from sedimentation tank, that is called clarified water, as you can see in this animation. So after this, we are discussing about secondary treatment, or this is also known as biological treatment. Here you can see in this animation, yes, the here we can see we can see that the treatment at this stage, it involved pumping of air into the clarified water in the large aeration tanks. As you can see here in this animation, that effluents of primary treatment is brought in contact with oxygen and aerobic microorganisms in an oxidation tank, and they break down the organic matter in harmless material like as carbon dioxide and water. Okay, here you can see that this lead to growth of aerobic bacteria, and this bacteria decompose the suspended waste that includes domestic waste and other undesirable organic substances. Now it produces decomposed organic material which settle down at the bottom of the tank, that is act as a activated sludge. Now after this, you can see that further chlorination is done to kill the bacteria. So in the tertiary treatment, this is a chemical process in which water is treated with the disinfectant such as chlorine. So here you can see in this animation. Yes. Now in this tertiary treatment, here you can see that in this salts like nitrate and phosphates are removed by precipitation technique. And here in this we are adding chlorine, that is disinfectant. Okay, why? To treat the water. And as you can see here that water is now pure enough for human consumption. So you can see here in the tertiary treatment that water is pure now for the human consumption. So I am telling you here uses of treated water. The treated water which is obtained from a sewage treatment plant is finally released into streams and water. In some cases, treated water is used for irrigating fields also. Okay. And what is the use of sludge? Sludge consists of human excreta and other organic material. So it is used as manure to enrich the soil with humus and nutrients. And we can also produce the biogas which is used as a fuel. And biogas can also used to generate the electricity. So this was regarding wastewater treatment plant. Yes, okay, thank you.